Welcome to Gundam Pro's 66 Shipment Tower. Let's see how the tower was built with a quick time-lapse short, followed by us checking out these incredible kids. In this tower, we have 15 model kits consisting of 8 SD kits, 2 high grades, 2 mega size, 1 master grade, 1 30-minute fantasy, and 1 figurized standard. Let's start with SD kits. Gundam RX-78 GP-03D Dendrobium, RX-93 New Gundam, RX-178 Gundam Mark II Titan's Color, GAT X-303 Aegis Gundam, GAT X-207 Blitz Gundam, GN0000 00 Gundam, XVM-FZC Gundam Legilis, and Knight Superior Dragon. For mega size, we have MS-06 Zaku 2 and MS-06S Zaku 2 Char Aznable Custom. For master grades, we have WD M01 Turn A Gundam. For high grades, we have MS-08TX/S Ifrit Schneid and HER-SELF Mobile Doll Sarah. For 30-minute fantasy, we have Liber Holy Knight. And for figurized standard, we have Build Divers Diver Nami.
Thank you for watching today's Shipment Tower video. See you in the next tower.